Changing your bank account on RealPage is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your RealPage account. Access the RealPage website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account information. In the payment settings, find the option to edit or update your bank account information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new bank account details. Fill in the required fields with your new bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new bank account details, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your account has been updated successfully. Make sure to review your payment settings regularly to ensure everything is accurate. Following these steps will help you manage your bank account information on RealPage efficiently.